Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Blue color, green color, chocolate color, orange color, purple color, red color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: square, heart, circle, decagon, star and triangle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Square, heart, circle, decagon, star, triangle. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, square, red color, heart, blue color, circle, purple color, decagon, orange color, star, chocolate color, triangle. What we learn? We learn green color, square, red color, heart, blue color, circle, purple color, decagon, orange color, star, chocolate color, triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.